guys, magsuswimming si Eugene. Bakit paglalagyan niya yan ng basang damit? Let's go, baby.
Alright.
Alright.
I put the sleeper here. I put the sleeper.
Can you help me? Don't touch it. So, ayan guys. Kasi nga almost 2 weeks din siyang hindi nakapag-swimming.
Let's go. Come on.
Okay, okay. Hey, go. It's not yet open. Go, go.
Come on.
I do.
Wow.
Look, there's a kids are swim there. Don't touch it. So, almost 2 linggo din siyang hindi nakapag-swimming guys. Kasi nga, nag-under maintenance. So, ngayon, tinignan namin kahapon. Okay na. Wait, not yet.
Wait, that's it. Let's go.
Thank you. Okay, baby, let's go. Go, go, go. Oh, the wind is so strong. 10 o'clock na guys. Hindi naman dito. Pero dito siya. Why it's like foggy? Don't run. Take a shower first. Check it if it's open or not. Check it first. So ito ang playground nila dito sa condo. Take a shower. Eugene. So ayan, may restaurant dyan. Saka yung management dyan. I told you take a shower. Ano kayong inayos dito? Wala naman nagbago. Maganda nga hindi masyadong mainit. Pinalitan nila mga ganito. Kasi iba sira-sira na. Hey, I told you to take a shower first. Check. Oh, look. You can watch them. You want to learn taekwondo? Okay, may karate kids doon. Good job. Yeah. Move your hands, and kick your legs. Kick. Wow. So ayan guys, hindi na siya natatakot. So ito yung pang kids pool, ayun sa kabila. Yung pang adult. So dito lang siya, napunta siya doon kasi medyo mababaw that place. Pero dito, pang kids lang talaga, hanggang baywang lang nila. Ay. So siya lang mag-isa kasi late na. Doon sa kabila yung playground. I take you a video. You swim na, float. So guys, late na kasi nga 10 o'clock na. Siya na lang mag-isa. Kanina ang dami nag-swimming siguro kasi basang basa yung daan. Saka yung mga elevator. Oh no, your ball. Get your ball. Hey, get your ball. Oh no. Eugene, your ball. You cannot go get it now. Okay. Okay, let's go guys. Try this. Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's really hurt. Ouch. Ooh. Ouch. Oh my gosh. Slowly. I don't know what benefits you can get from this stone. Wow! You have to take off your sleeper. It's hurt? Ouch! Ah, my God! Ah, my body is so heavy. Ah, I need to lose weight. You're cheating, ah. It's not how like that. You're cheating. Ouch. Ouch. Ah.
Try again, Mom.
I cannot run here.
Try again.
I do. So he's cheering me.
Oh.
Slowly. I can do it. Ah. Ah. Okay. Okay.
He's coming.
Yes. Is this a dandelion? Dandelion flower? Look, I'm asking you. I'm asking you. Is this a dandelion?
Oh. Okay. There's something that's snotty. Here.
Oh, heavy.
Oh, heavier. Whoa! Whoa!
You're not sliding. What are you doing?
I want to put your hands here. Move, move, move.
Eugene, come. Let's go, Siso. Oh. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go. Go slide. Where are you? Come, slide. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go. Okay, go na, go na. I will wait you. Go there na. Go slide now. I will wait you.
Don't go there!
I will.